Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Fluent Core English. I'm Gwen, and I'm really glad you showed up again today. Before we start, I want to ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt this? You understand English, you know the words, you even understand full sentences, but the moment you try to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank, and you just stay silent. And inside your head, a voice starts talking. What if I say it wrong? What if my grammar is bad? What if people judge me? And slowly, that fear starts breaking your confidence. You watch videos, you learn, you even feel motivated for a while, but when real life asks you to speak, the words just don't come out. And then a thought hits you. Maybe I'm just not good at this. And your brain, it keeps translating everything from your language into English, and then doubting it again. And in that process, your natural flow completely breaks. You start strong. Day 1, day 2, and then life gets busy. You stop, and suddenly you're back at the same point again. The same cycle, again and again. But listen carefully. This is important. You are not weak. You are not bad at English. You're just following the wrong method. And because of that, you're not getting results. And trust me, you are not alone. Thousands of beginners go through this exact phase and still become fluent, step by step. Because when you start practicing the right way, just a little every day, like shadowing, something powerful begins to change. Your brain slowly starts responding in English, without translating, without overthinking. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and not stop. Because real confidence only comes after action. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Today is day 5 of your shadowing speaking journey. And this is not just another lesson. This is where everything you practiced starts coming together. If you've been here from day 1, then what you're building right now is real. Not fake motivation, not temporary confidence, real speaking ability. So before we begin, remember this simple idea. Don't think first, speak first. Don't translate, respond. Don't wait for confidence, create it. Now listen carefully. This is not a watching video. This is your speaking moment. Even if your voice feels slow, even if you feel unsure, stay with me. Because what you feel right now is exactly where growth begins. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin. Speak with me. I am improving and becoming more confident every day. Again, I am improving and becoming more confident every day. One more time. I am improving and becoming more confident every day. Good. Keep your voice active. Every small step I take moves me closer to fluency. Again. Every small step I take moves me closer to fluency. One more time. Every small step I take moves me closer to fluency. It may feel small, but it's changing your brain. Next. I don't need perfection. I just need to keep practicing. Again. I don't need perfection. I just need to keep practicing. One more time. I don't need perfection. I just need to keep practicing. Perfection stops you. Practice builds you. Next, my voice is important, and I choose to speak with confidence. Again, my voice is important, and I choose to speak with confidence. One more time. My voice is important, and I choose to speak with confidence. Yes, your voice matters. Next, learning English is a journey, and I am moving forward. Again, learning English is a journey, and I am moving forward. One more time. Learning English is a journey, and I am moving forward. Stay with me. Don't drop here. Next, every mistake shows that I am learning something new. Again, every mistake shows that I am learning something new. One more time. Every mistake shows that I am learning something new. Mistakes are not your problem. Stopping is. And listen, if your mind still feels slow or your words feel stuck, that's normal, because the next part will push you one step closer to speaking naturally. So don't stop now. If you're still here, that means you didn't quit. Comment below. Day 5 started. And if you're serious about speaking English, subscribe to Fluent Core English, because this journey is about to change how you speak forever. Stay with me. You're doing something important right now. Speak with me. I show up for my learning, even on difficult days. Again, I show up for my learning, even on difficult days, because real growth happens on the hard days. Next, each time I speak, my English becomes stronger and freer. Again, each time I speak, my English becomes stronger and freer. One more time. Each time I speak, my English becomes stronger and freer. Feel that you're not stuck anymore. Next, the effort I make today is creating a better future. Again, the effort I make today is creating a better future. One more time. The effort I make today is creating a better future. Even if it feels small, it's building something big. Next, I trust my learning journey, and I am becoming a confident speaker. Again, I trust my learning journey, and I am becoming a confident speaker. One more time. I trust my learning journey, and I am becoming a confident speaker. Trust the process, even when it feels slow. Now stay focused. These next sentences matter even more. Let's continue. I am brave because I try even when I feel nervous. Again, I am brave because I try even when I feel nervous. One more time. I am brave because I try even when I feel nervous. Bravery is not no fear. It's speaking anyway. Next. My English becomes better every time I practice. Again. My English becomes better every time I practice. One more time. My English becomes better every time I practice. You are improving right now. Next. I am building strong English skills, one word at a time. Again. I am building strong English skills, one word at a time. One more time. I am building strong English skills, one word at a time. Step by step, this is how fluency grows. Next, I feel excited when I speak English. Again, I feel excited when I speak English. One more time. I feel excited when I speak English. Yes, you're allowed to enjoy this. Now focus. This next one is powerful. English is more than a language. It opens the door to my dreams. Again, English is more than a language. It opens the door to my dreams. One more time. English is more than a language. It opens the door to my dreams. This is bigger than speaking. This is about your future. Next. I am getting better at speaking English every day. Again. I am getting better at speaking English every day. One more time. I am getting better at speaking English every day. Even if you don't see it clearly, it's happening. Next. My confidence grows every time I use my voice. Again. My confidence grows every time I use my voice. One more time. My confidence grows every time I use my voice. Confidence is built, not given. Next. I am not afraid to speak and learn from my mistakes. Again. I am not afraid to speak and learn from my mistakes. One more time. I am not afraid to speak and learn from my mistakes. Mistakes are part of your growth. Next. Practice makes my English stronger and clearer. Again. Practice makes my English stronger and clearer. One more time. Practice makes my English stronger and clearer. Consistency wins every time. Final sentence. Every day I speak English, I move closer to my goal. Again. Every day I speak English, I move closer to my goal. One more time. Every day I speak English, I move closer to my goal. Take a deep breath. You just completed day 5. And listen carefully. This is not a small thing. Today, you didn't just repeat sentences. You showed up. You practiced. And most importantly, you didn't quit. Most people start. Very few continue. But you stayed. And that changes everything. You practiced for 5 days in a row. And that is how real transformation begins. The sentences were important, but the real achievement? The habit you are building. A habit of speaking. A habit of showing up. A habit of not giving up. And that habit will change your English. Remember this. Fluency does not come from one video. It grows. Slowly. Daily. Quietly. Just 5 minutes a day can change everything over time. Listening helps you understand, but speaking changes your confidence. So even if your sentences are simple, even if they are not perfect, keep speaking. Because every time you come back, something improves. Your pronunciation becomes smoother. Your responses become faster. Your confidence becomes stronger. Little by little. Now I want to ask you something. Did you enjoy this 5-day challenge? If yes, write in the comments, Day 5 done. Note for me, for yourself. And tell me one more thing. Do you want more practice like this? Because if you do, I'll create more lessons for you. And if you're serious about your English, make sure you subscribe to Fluent Core English, because this is just the beginning. You don't need perfect English. You need courage, consistency, and practice. And today, you proved you have all three. Thank you for learning with me. I'm Gwen, and I'll see you in the next lesson.